Is there any guidance for people who have taken the J&J vaccine in the past 2 weeks of anything that they should be just watching for? And I ask only because what appears to be the case is 6 women, as we know, somewhere between the ages of 18 and 48, having these problems, 1 death. Once you're past the 2-week period, I mean, I know, again, we're talking about very, very small numbers here, but are there things that viewers should be thinking about here?
Yes. The CDC and FDA note folks who develop severe headache, abdominal pain, leg pain, or shortness of breath within 3 weeks after vaccination should contact their healthcare provider. And they ask that healthcare providers report adverse events to their vaccine adverse event reporting system. We are going to get a briefing at 10 a.m. today from the CDC and the FDA, or maybe just the FDA and maybe a separate one from CDC. So, of course, we'll bring more when we get that. It does seem that, as the doctor was just saying, all 6 cases occurred 6 to 13 days after vaccination. And so it does seem like it's within a discrete period of time, and there are absolutely things folks should look out for, up to 3 weeks after vaccination.
Yeah. Hey, Meg.
He was pretty reassuring about it. Yep.
We'll talk to you again soon. I'm just trying to figure out how long we've been using adeno-based vaccines. I think back to the 70s even, and there's been quite a few, Ebola, Zika, been tested, human trials tested on malaria. I mean, it's a widely used vector, and it's just, I don't know, do you know whether there have been instances of what Dr. Patel described, a heparin-induced clotting due to adenovirus vaccines?
Yeah, so they're actually not widely used vaccines, although they are an older technology. Johnson & Johnson has used this technology for a number of different vaccines, and so does have a large safety database of hundreds of thousands of people. To my knowledge, this has not been a known risk factor for this approach. What it sounds like, if it's the same thing as the AstraZeneca vaccine, is potentially kind of an immune reaction to something about the vaccine, an incredibly rare one. And people are still trying to understand it better.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.